Dear students, so today let us discuss about problem number 5. So here prove that determinants of b plus c, q plus r, y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y is equal to two determinants of a, p, x, b, q, y, c, r, z. So first you should take left hand side. So your left hand side is determinants of these values. So then show right hand side two determinants of APX, BQY and CRZ. Okay. So left hand side is this is LHS, left hand side determinants. So then show right hand side using some operations already explained in last classes. Some operations, row operations and column operations. So row number 1 or row number 2 or row number 3. So which operated here, you take that one R1 dash. So you operate R1, so you write R1 dash. You operate R2, you write R2 dash. Similarly R3 dash. Okay, first I am taking here R1 dash is equal to, I am going to operate row number 1. R1 dash is equal to R1 plus R2 minus R3 like this. Okay, so R1 first element and R2 first element, add these two and then subtract elements of R3. So here, okay, determinants of first elements of R1 is what? B plus C. Otherwise write in rough work. So B plus C first element of R1 plus, here plus is there, you write plus here. So in R2 elements of first element is C plus A, you write like this. So minus should come close the bracket. R3 that is equal to first element is A plus B. A plus B, simplify this, B plus C plus C plus A, remove this bracket, minus A minus B, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus B. So in this case, plus A and minus A cancel, plus B minus B cancel, 1C plus 1C, the result is 2C. So first element of R1 to get result is 2C. Did you understand? Similarly, you go to second element. So second element of first row is Q plus R plus, according to rule, plus R2 element of that second element is R plus P, then minus should come close the bracket. So R3 elements of in second element is what? P plus Q. Okay, you write here P plus Q. So then Q plus R plus P, minus into plus minus P minus into plus minus Q. Here plus P minus P cancel and plus Q minus Q cancel, that is equal to how much? 2R. So you write here 2R. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So otherwise you take like this in rough work, that is the best. Okay, so next I am going to third element of R1. So here third element of R1 is what? Y plus Z, you write here in rough work. This is rough work, Y plus Z plus R2 third element is what? Z plus X, you write here Z plus X, minus should come close the bracket. R3 element of 3, that is equal to X plus Y. So then you write Y plus Z, Z plus X, minus into plus minus X, minus into plus minus Y. Here plus X minus X cancel, plus Y minus Y cancel, 1Z plus 1Z, 2Z. You write here 2Z. So next remaining that terms in second row, that is C plus A. So R plus P, Z plus X. Third row, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Did you understand? So here already completed in R1 operations. The what type of R1 operation is there? R1 plus R2 minus R3. Okay, next you see row number 1. Row number 1, 2 is common is there. Take outside 2 from row 1. So take common from R1. R1 in the common tadbidi. Take outside. So what type of value is there? C, R, Z. Next you write commonly C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. In column number, row number 3, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Did you understand this one? Okay, in first operation is what? R1 plus R2 minus R3 to get type of that result, and afterwards you take common here from R1. So remaining the result C or Z. Okay, next simplification is, so here you operate another rows. So I am taking next operations R2. R2 means, how do you find out R2? Very simple. So R2 dash is equal to take like this, R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. Okay, 2 into determinants of R2. So here R2 first element is what? C plus A. You see here, look here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ C plus A. R2 minus minus R1. First element of R1 C. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? C plus A minus C. C plus A minus C means minus C plus C cancel. Remaining term is what? A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in the next second ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. First you write C or Z ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ first row. So here operated what? Row number 2. So row number 2 is that result is R2 minus R1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. R2 first element ಏನಿದೆ? C plus A. You write like this, C plus A minus R1 first element ಏನಿದೆ? C. So here plus C minus C cancel. ಏನು ಬಂತು ಈಗ next? A ಬಂತು. You write here A. Okay, next second element of R2. R plus P is the second element of R2. So second element of R1 R plus P, R2 R plus P minus R. So this means here plus R and minus R cancel. Remaining that term P. You write here P. So next third element of R2 is Z plus X minus Z. Here plus Z minus Z cancel. So that term X. You write like this X. So next you don't disturb in R3. You write same as it is. A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Okay, next you take on another operations R3. So R3 dash is equal to R3 minus R2. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ? R3 minus R2 ಮಾಡೋಣ. R3 dash ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So 2 into determinants of C R Z R1 A P X R2. So next I am going to operate R3 dash. R3 minus R2. So you see first element of R3 is A plus B minus R2. A plus B minus A plus A minus A cancel. Same as it is. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A plus B ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You see A plus B minus A plus A minus A cancel. Remaining that value is B. Right here B. Okay. Next second element of R3 is P plus Q. Second element of R2 is P plus Q minus P. Plus P minus P cancel. So that is Q. Okay. So next in third element of R3 is X plus Y. You write here X plus Y minus R2. Only plus X minus X cancel. Y. This is Y. So this is the one explanation of the determinants. First you write this. Okay, next steps is, so here, so already you know that some properties. So when row or column are changes, interchanging the rows or columns, therefore the sign is changes. So already explained some properties. So use that property here. So here I am going to interchanging for second row. You see second row go to first row, then first row go to second row. Then sign will be changed. Minus should be changed, plus should be changed, minus. Here plus 2 is there, so that's why I am taking here minus 2. When interchanging the rows or column, so sign must and should changes. So here APX R2 go to R1, so CRZ, next BQY. So here I am interchanging. So second row go to first row go to second row. That's why here plus is there, plus should be changed, minus. Next I am going to another operations, operated 2. So here in this case third row is go to second row go to third row. Okay, so then interchanging sign also. How much sign, what type of sign is there? Minus should be changed, plus 2 APX, next BQY CRZ. You see, this is RHS. Did you understand this? So according to property, when two rows or columns are interchanged, sign will be changed. Okay, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇತ್ತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ, ಪುನಃ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್. Okay, next problem number 6. That is 6. Show that determinants first row 0, A minus B, minus A 0 minus C, B C 0 is equal to 0. Now RHS ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so I am taking LHS. So first, so is equal to 0. Find out LHS. This is LHS. LHS is 0 A minus B, minus A 0 minus C, B C 0. Okay, here operating is R2 dash is equal to B into R2 and R3 dash is equal to A into R3. This means multiplied by R2 by B multiplied by R3 by A. Okay, R2 na B ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, R3 ನ A ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So next 0 for A first row this is. So here I am operating R2 dash. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ, R2 first element B into minus A minus AB. So 0 into B 0 because 0 into the number is 0. Next minus C into B minus BC. Okay, so next R3 dash, you operate R3 dash into A into R3, A into B first element AB. Okay, next you see A into C AC, next A into 0 0. Okay, next operating I am going to R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. What do you look here? R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. So first you write R1 0 A minus B. Yes, R2 dash, R2 plus R3. First element of R2 minus AB. First element of R3 plus AB. Minus AB plus AB cancel. That result is 0. Do you understand? Okay. Next, second element of R2, 0. Second element of R3, AC. 0 plus AC. 0 plus AC, AC. You write here AC. AC. Next, third element of R2 minus BC. Third element of R3, 0. Minus BC plus 0, minus BC. Right here, minus BC. So next, same as it is, R3, AB, AC, 0. Okay, next, expand this determinants, expand to determinants. But exercise 66 to 14 expanded. Okay, so here I am going to expand it row or column. You see, row na manana, column manana. Best you go to first column, because first column it is inward 2 zeros. Very easy expanded. That's why I am taking first column only. So otherwise you take first row it is inward only 1 0. First element 1 0, second element A is there, third element minus B is there. You see first column, the first two elements is 0 0. That is very easy. So that's why you take expand it to first column. Okay. So 0 into first 0 into number 0. Alternate sign plus minus. 0 into number 0. Plus minus plus AB. Third element is AB. So where present in AB? Third row, first column. Close this column and row. You see, look here. So remaining is what? A minus B, AC minus BC. Okay? Into AB into plus into minus minus ABC. Did you understand? Next, minus. Okay, next plus into minus minus. Minus B into AC minus ABC. Minus into minus plus ABC. Here minus ABC plus ABC cancel. That is 0. 0 into a number is 0. Therefore, RHS. Did you understand? Very simple. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Why? Because two elements are 0. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. 0 into number 0, 0 into number 0. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 100% to get 0 RHS. But you see, so which elements are more in zeros, which rows or columns are more zeros, you take that row or column. You understand? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 0 ಅವೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3? Because I want result. That is the reason. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು? RHS ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ R2 dash is equal to BR2. ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ, ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ RHS ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ NCERT textbooks, according to these determinants, RHS is 0. That's why I am taking these conditions. Did you understand? Okay, you write down. Okay, next problem number 7. Prove that minus a square AB AC BA minus B square BC CA CB minus C square is equal to 4A square B square C square. Students, this is very important problem. So already asked in previous examinations. Okay, you take care. So look here. So here first I am taking left hand side, LHS. Here RHS is what? 4A square B square C square. Now RHS na 4A square B square C square anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So left hand side LHS. Okay, here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪು? ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ a common from C1. Taking a common from C1. a ನ C1 ಇಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ b from C2 and c from C3. ಎಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ? ಎ ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಬಿ ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಸಿ ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ a common from C1, b from C2, c from C3, we get ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಿ. ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಸಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 already taking a outside, remaining is minus a into a minus a square. Okay, next here b, next here c. Did you understand? Column number 1 ಇಂದ ನಾನು a ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ. So already taking a common from C1. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. a into a square, a into b ab, a into c ac. b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇಯಾ, c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ? ಸಾರಿ, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇಯಾ, ab ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ b from C2. C2 ಇಂದ ತೆಗಿರಿ. So b take outside, remaining a. So minus only 1b already are taking outside. So next here c. You understand? Next column number 3 take outside c. Remaining terms a. Next b. Next minus c. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did you understand? Very simple. a ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದು, b ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದು, c ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದು. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಡಿ. a minus a, b c. b take outside. a 1b c. c take outside. a b minus c. Okay, this is very important. Okay, next taking a from R1 common. Taking a common from R1. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ R2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ? b. Take outside b from R2. Here c. Take out c from R3. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. Taking a common from R1, come on, b from R2 and c from R3. Here ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. row number. So first this is one ABC. Right here ABC. ABC. Already taking this common in first operations. So in this case also you take A from R1, B from R2, C from R3. Next you write the determinants. A take outside, remaining is what? Minus 1. Here 1. here 1. Next B, take outside, that is 1 minus 1, same as it is 1. Here also 1 1 minus 1. Did you understand? Okay. So therefore ABC, here first I am taking ABC common from columns. So in second operations, taking the ABC common from rows. Okay, next multiply this ABC into ABC, A square, B square, C square. Okay, next I am taking another operations. You see R1 dash is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 dash is equal to what? R1 plus R2. Okay, A into A square, B square, C square. ಈಗ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ R1 dash, R1 plus R2. First element plus first element. First element of R1, first element of R2. Second element of R1, second element of R2. Third element of R1, third element of R2. Minus 1, here, what type of operator? Sorry, addition. Minus 1 plus 1, cancel 0. Plus 1 minus 1, cancel 0. So 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So next remaining value is 1 minus 1, 1. 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. This is the result. What type of result is there? R1 dash is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, next I am going to another operations. R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3 mana? So R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3. Okay, first you write this. So afterwards I am writing here only. Okay, write this. Okay, so R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. A square, B square, C square. What type of R2? So R1 0 0 2. I am going to here operate to R2 dash. R2 dash is equal to what? R2 plus R3. Yes, first element of R1 is 1. So in third row, first element is 1. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Here 2. Next minus 1 plus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ R2 minus 1 plus R3 1 minus 1 plus 1 0. Right here 0. Okay, so R3 1 minus 1 minus 1 0, that is 0 here. Okay, so next remaining 1 minus 1. Yes, next expand this to get result. Okay, here expand to column or row. Column madada, row madada. Best you go to row, because first row it is involved 2 zeros, very easily to expand. That's why you take first row. Yes, first row is A square, B square, C square. First row you take bracket. 0 into number 0, plus minus 0 into number 0. This 0 into number 0, plus minus. Okay, alternate sign, plus minus. Next plus 2 into. So where present in 2? 2 is present in first row and third column. Okay, close that first row and third column. First row, third column. Remaining is what? You see, remaining 2 0 1 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 into 0 0. Okay, next A square, B square, C square into 0. 2 minus 0 2. 2 2s are 4. Next 4 into A square, B square, C square is equal to 4 A square, B square, C square. This is RHS. This is RHS. Okay, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬರೀರಿ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 20-30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದವನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ಬರೀ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.